Hello and welcome aboard. I'm Captain Milkybeard. This week it's going to be glass, door cards and a bit of audio. So sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Something that's really been upsetting me about this car is this piece of glass. There's a whole bunch of scratches over here that really upset me. So I bought a new second-hand driver's side glass window a while ago, and I'm going to try and not blow myself up with that. That's the airbag. I got a new piece of rubber for here because this is really upsetting. I don't like this at all. So I'm going to see what I can do about that as well. But this is just unacceptable. The first replacement window that I bought, I had delivered. It seemed really well packaged, but that's when I noticed a shocking discovery. Yo, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this window glass. This one's only got 2 little scratches. It's very dirty. You can see it's very cloudy. I've got some just like normal car wax, but it seems to work okay. So I'm going to clean it, give it a good shine with the car wax. You can see that works. And then what I also have is this. I got this ordered online, second-hand. What the hell? Looks a little bit short. I guess I'll see. Taking a break from scrubbing because the postie arrived, and let's see what he's brought for us. Yes! Oh. So these, which I was very disappointed with, I don't even know, they don't seem to work. They look alright. I mean, there's some sort of music when you put the CD player on. That's the only thing that works. There's no radio. And they're not Harman Kardons, so out with those. Please don't tell me I bought the wrong ones. I know the BAV sound ones are the best, but they're so expensive, so I bought these. So I got that one and that one. Front and rear getting upgraded. What's this? Ah, mounting brackets. Come on, let's go. This one's really stiff. The video that I watched on how to replace this glass just so happened to just conveniently skipped over the part where they removed the airbag. It's like there the one seed and it was gone the next seed. It's like, oh, thanks guys. So hopefully this thing doesn't blow up and blow my hand off, my face off. Oh sh**. Please don't blow up. How do I undo this plug? Ah! Alright, that works. I'll just leave it there for now. We'll see how far I get. Didn't blow up. Okay, so I need to remove that screw, but it's actually the back side of a screw, I think. You can see it better on this one. This side doesn't look too bad. This side looks pretty stripped, so I'm going to try my best to get it off. Alright, so I found this, which looks like the right tool for the job. I'm going to give it a go. Always get the size wrong though. Even that one's too small. E7, if you were wondering. E7. And apparently, because it's a bolt holding it in, it goes the other way around. So the wrong way around. So in order to loosen it, you actually tighten it. Easy peasy. The one that wasn't stripped. Try number 7 on this side. Well, it's coming. It slipped a couple times, but it's coming out. So
it's a lonely night. Everybody's happy.
look at how worn out that is. Pretty bad. Moving on, these rubber window seals are not the easiest thing to get removed either.
No eyes on me.
Got to slide these up, and that way you don't break it. Yet another sticky rubber seal to keep me busy.
So many ladies, so many men, so many maybes, so many ways, so many ladies, so many men.
The old one and the new one.
It's a lonely night, everybody's happy. Been turning around, looking for a friendly light, but I see nothing.
Well, this door is looking a bit disgusting, so before I put it all back together, I'm going to give it a bit of a clean. Start at the top, I guess. Yes. Mermaid's hairdryer. Unfortunately, due to technical difficulties, i.e. this guy let the camera's battery run flat, I missed the part where I removed the glass. Fortunately, however, I did manage to get this part on film.
Everybody's happy. Been turning around, looking for a friendly light, but I see nothing. No eyes, no eyes on me. No eyes on me.
Window's been fitted. A lot less play now. Still a little bit of play, but a lot less. And fitment is still perfect. So now I guess just put everything back together. Woohoo! The mirror, however, did not fit perfectly anymore, so it took a couple attempts to get that back on straight. Yay! Finally time to put the door back in. The door card just needs a few more clips, I see. Got the clips here. So I'll put a couple more clips in and then we'll go. That screw doesn't look like it's all the way in. Just gonna quickly grab a hex and have a look. Yeah, this is the one. Don't know how I missed that. But it's definitely a little bit loose. There we go. Now it's flush. That's where we need to get it. It's so difficult to do. Yes! Boom! God damn, this looks nice. Woo. And then get another long one here. Yes! Amazing. Amazing. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Why am I so happy? Because this car hasn't had door cards in it for months and months and months. That looks really good. Great. So I thought I'd finally fitted it. Thought it was looking good, and then I saw it peeled away here from the top. It won't go in, so I felt there was a bit of hesitance, but I screwed it on anyway. See, it's peeling off at the top here, so I'm assuming somewhere the sound deadening that I put in somewhere is causing fitment issues. So I'm going to take it off again, and it's getting dark. Here's your problem. So there we have it, the first look at one of the panels inside the car. Look at that stitching, Alcantara. That is genuine Alcantara. Very, very pricey, but man, it looks good. If you're still watching, thank you so much for sticking it out with me. I really appreciate you. Next week we're gonna have some more lovely goodies going into the car and a special announcement too. So if you're not already subscribed, it's not too late. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next week.